Hello everyone. Our guest today is epitome of calm under pressure. She is a guardian angel of the operating theatres in Sir Gangaram Hospital. She makes all the procedures, surgeries look like a walk in the park. So welcome Jaya ma'am. So we have a fun segment this one as a rapid fire. I'll be asking you questions. That'll be like one-liners, and you have to answer them back in a rapid, in a fun way, and to be 100% honest. So shall we?
First of all, thank you, Vaibhav, so much. Thanks a lot for all the respect that you've given me. Thanks a lot. I'm a little scared about this. I hope I can answer your questions.
Okay, ma'am. So I'll start with one thing you love and one thing you hate about Gangaram.
Well, what I love about Gangaram is the work attitude or the work attitude that we all have.
Yeah.
We've got the family attitude, and we can go to anybody,
Yeah.
anytime, including our chairman, and just walk in and say good morning, sir,
Yeah.
and we have this problem. What I hate is the anything you discuss in a meeting in this closed room will go out immediately. I don't know how that happens, but that happens in all our meetings.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so next question is you have to describe each one of them with either a one word or a movie title. Dr. D.S. Rana.
He is, I always say, he is an elder brother. He's a jewel, and he's a towering figure, and whom we all follow.
One movie title if you can think of for him.
उनका होगा क्या? Movie title will be. I hardly see any movies. Is some Raja I couldn't
Old
say.
वाली भी चलेंगी.
अच्छा, अच्छा he.
शहनशाह.
अच्छा शहनशाह, okay.
चलो. Dr. Ajay Swaroop.
Ajay Swaroop, Dr. Ajay Swaroop, of course. I always say he's a close friend of mine. So I always this thing, call him by his name, which I
Okay.
never do for anybody else. So I can always call him Mast Banda. I'm sure he won't mind it.
Nobody will mind, ma'am. Dr. A.K. Bhalla.
A.K. Bhalla, Dr. A.K. Anil, I didn't know him much earlier in the sense personally, but now once we are so close, he is an honorary secretary and I am the vice chairperson. So I've seen him is very hardworking and he's very respectful. That
Yeah.
thing I have seen
Yeah.
a lot in him, which is very, a big quality in him.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. So next question is, which surgical department do you find yourself disagreeing with the most and why?
Disagreeing, yes. Well, the kidney transplant.
That is not fair. Okay, so next question is, arrange the following surgeons on the speed of finishing cholecystectomy. Dr. Tarun Mittal, Dr. Sudhir Kalhan, Manish Gupta, Neeraj Dhamija.
First of all, let me tell you, speed does not mean that you are the best. Let me tell you that. Okay.
That is very diplomatic.
Yes, yes. So, speed, you have missed out a few who were really
Yeah,
very,
you can
very
add it, ma'am. You
fast.
can add, yeah.
I remember when, anyway, I won't mention that name. It's okay. Let me be with the people. The fastest would be, I think, Tarun does
Okay.
very fast.
Mhm.
Manish.
Then
And who's the fourth one?
Sudhir and
fourth-
Neeraj Dhamija.
and Neeraj. Yeah.
Okay. So, what's a common misconception people have about anesthesiologist?
Many people, although we have tried and called ourselves perioperative physicians, we do so much of in our PAC, introduce ourselves, but people still believe that we are just the gas man. We just probably give the anesthesia and then disappear. They do not realize, they do not realize that we are there all the time. This thing still persists.
Yeah,
We are working very hard towards removing this.
One skill you have that nobody at Gangaram knows about.
I'm not going to tell you that. I'm not going to tell you that.
Okay, we'll pass that. So, what's your guilty pleasure?
क्या बोल रहे हैं? कभी-कभी having wine, will that be a guilty pleasure?
Okay. If you weren't an anesthesiologist, what career would you have chosen? Either in medicine or otherwise also?
Maybe an engineer. I was very fond of maths, etc. So I think my second option was engineering when I was in my college.
Okay. If a biography were made on you, what would be the title?
That you all should tell, not we.
Something you must
as
have.
as you know, lately what my colleagues in my ISA, that is the Indian Society, what they call me is our dear Jaya ma'am. So I find it so. Even yesterday, now they call me our dear Jaya
Okay,
ma'am.
we'll have
So
our dear Jaya ma'am. If you had to choose one superpower, what would it be?
what do you mean
Like
superpower?
something you want to, like, if you don't have to
Acha.
put the patient, put the injection or something, you just do like this and patient goes to sleep.
Acha, okay, okay, okay. That, acha,
Like a
your look,
Superman. And
acha, your looks, maybe your looks.
okay. What one thing you always carry with you?
But you mean materialistic or is a
Materialistic and all, like
otherwise
philosophical also, you can tell.
it should be. I always say honesty, hard work.
And materialistic.
Materialistic, I always have a comb with me.
Okay.
I like to have
I was
that.
expecting a phone actually.